If you've ever written some Golang, you've used packages, whether you realize it or not. And if you've worked on an actual Golang project, you've probably seen a Go mod file. But what exactly are modules and packages, and how do they work together? Let's break it down. Here I have an empty directory. It's not even a Go project just yet. To turn it into one, we first need to initialize a Go module. A module is essentially a self-contained Go project. It can be a complete application or a library made up of one or more related packages. To initialize a new Go module, we open the terminal and type in go mod init and then the module path. Let's say github.com/my-username/my-project. The module path must be unique in order to avoid collisions with other modules. Using the GitHub project address is a common practice. Now if we open the Go mod file, we see we have the module identifier and the current Go version I'm using. This file is also used to manage external dependencies. If I am to install a package, we see the file being updated with a bunch of packages. Now I only installed this one, but there are also 3 other packages. Well, these are the dependencies of the package we've just installed. The reason they are marked as indirect is because we are not currently directly using them in our project. We don't even have a Go file just yet. As soon as we add a Go file and we use this package, this will be marked as a direct dependency and these will remain indirect. Now let's create some actual code. I'll create a main.go file, and in Go every file belongs to a package. There's no such thing as a Go file without a package. Packages help organize code, and there is one special package called main. The reason why this package is special is because it's the entry point of our project. If we want to execute any Go program, it must have a main package with a main function. This is how Go knows where to start the execution. It looks for the main package with a main function. Now that begs the question, can we have multiple main packages? The answer is yes, we can have multiple packages, but they must live in separate directories and be compiled individually. This is useful for projects where you maybe have multiple CLI tools, web apps, microservices, all part of the same project. But each individual thing has its own main package that can be compiled to an executable. So for example, let's say we have some CLI tool, and this has its own main.go file with package main and func main. Then you might also have, I don't know, like a web app. You might have like an API and so on. So all these are individual main packages, part of the same module. So you can have multiple main packages in the same module. Now let's create a package called greetings. A package is just a directory containing Go files with the same package name at the top. The package name doesn't necessarily need to match the directory name. Using the same name is just a convention. So you could have here package A, but generally it's a good idea to keep the directory name and the package name the same. So this should be greetings. Let's say we have like a hello function that receives the name, which is a string, and then simply prints it. So this S here will be replaced with the provided name. Now notice how hello starts with an uppercase H. This marks the function as being exported, meaning that it can be used in other packages than greetings. So we can go to our main package and import the greetings package, which is located at our module path, which is github.com/my-username/my-project, and then the package path, which is greetings. Then inside main, we can call greetings.hello and pass it by name. I'll open my terminal, go run main.go, and there we go. Hello, Timmy. Again, the only reason we can call the hello function is because it's exported. It starts with an uppercase letter. If we go back to greetings and add another function, let's say y, we won't be able to use it. if we go to our main package and do greetings dot, you see it doesn't even appear in the autocomplete. And if I type it by hand, we get an undefined error. The same thing applies for structs, variables, and constants. If we want to make them available in other packages, their name must start with an uppercase letter, otherwise they are considered private and only available in the package where they are defined. Another important thing related to packages is that there's no such thing as subpackages in Go. Just because a package lives under another packages directory, that doesn't mean they are related. For example, if we are to add another package here, let's say jokes, with a jokes.go file, package jokes, this doesn't mean the jokes package is a subpackage of greetings. It just lives under the greetings directory. There's no official relation between them. Of course, if we are to import the jokes package, we'll have to enter the module path and then continue with the location of the package, which is greetings/jokes. But again, this doesn't mean jokes is a subpackage of greetings. It's just that it lives under the greetings directory. Another important thing to know is that you cannot have two packages under the same directory. So I cannot go here and say jokes.go and then package jokes. Go will complain because it found packages greetings and jokes in the same directory. However, you can have a separate test package. So if I go here and turn this into a test file, greetings_test, we can now have a greetings test package. The only reason we're allowed to have a separate test package is because it forces us to test the package from the outside like an actual user, ensuring we are only relying on the exported functions, not the private ones. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, share it, subscribe, click the bell button, all that good stuff. Bye!